it's your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be making a fall recipe. I'm going to be making some chili. So today it decided to be a little bit colder than usual where I live. So let's warm things up and let's make some chili, and let's get right into it. And I'm going to show you guys how I make chili, and let's make some. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you like chili, what toppings you like on your chili. And yeah, let's get right into it. I'll be right back. Alright, so I cut up some bell peppers, green and red, and I cut up some onions. I diced them up. I got my beef broth over there. I got some Rotel tomatoes. I'm going to also make some cornbread. And I got my ground beef over here that I cleaned already. So I got my pot warming up. I'm about to add some oil. And we are going to get things started. We're going to sear the vegetables first. And I'm also going to use some mixed garlic. Alright, so I'm going to put some oil, not too much. Alright, I like green seasoning, as y'all know, so I'm going to add some of that. Some minced garlic. I'm going to add the peppers on side. So I'm just going to cook this for about 2 or 3 minutes until they're nice and sauteed. And then we're going to add the ground beef and everything else. And I'll be right back, guys. Alright, so I added the ground beef. So now I'm going to season it with some paprika. Okay, here's the rest of that. And then I'm going to use this allspice nausea grill mix. So check him out. So I'm going to add that in there. Okay, so I added the meat and the seasoning. So I'm just going to let that cook. And after it's done cooking, I'm going to add all the other ingredients, and we'll be right back. Well, I'll be right back. Alright, so while that's cooking, while the ground beef is cooking, I am going to make the cornbread. So I got Jiffy cornbread, okay. So we are going to get started with that cornbread. Then I'm going to add some brown sugar to it. So that's 3 teaspoons. I'm going to add an egg. Alright. I am going to add some milk. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little sour cream, just a little bit. Right. So now I'm going to stir that up. Alright, I also added some cinnamon. I would usually use a whisk, but I'm not sure where my toddler put it because she be into the dishwasher. But I added some cinnamon as well. And then I'm just going to keep stirring until the lumps get out. Alright, so I greased my pan with some butter. And I added the cinnamon, brown sugar. So now I'm about to put that in there. Alright. All right, so the ground beef is done. I'm gonna add the beans, tomatoes, chili seasoning, a little bit of Greek beef broth, tomato sauce. Alright guys, so the chili is done. It tastes really good. So now I'm going to plate it, and I'm going to add my little toppings on it that I like, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I am done cooking everything. I got my cornbread here, I got the chili. I'll show you guys so you can see, because I don't want to drop my plate, honey. But I'm going to try it for y'all on camera. Now this is what I'm talking about. Oh, this is so good. Alright guys, so I'm going to close this video out. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. This is a great recipe, especially since the temperatures are dropping. It's getting a little cool outside, a little chilly. So this is some nice comfort food, and I love it. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video, and stay tuned for more recipes. And until next time, bye.